there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur. You all guys know that I am Kaur. Okay, so now let's get started our video without wasting a single minute of time. Okay, guys, so today we are going to talk about that. Stop using simple words. For example, we usually say that she is very beautiful, or we say that this car is very beautiful, or we say that oh, this baby is so beautiful, or there are many things about which we always use the word beautiful. But don't you think that you use beautiful a lot? If yes, if you think like this, so watch this video till the very end because it must gonna be helpful. And if you like this video, so please share it and subscribe my channel and share my video as much as you can because it's going to be help me a lot. As you all guys know that I am new on this YouTube, okay, so that is why I want to grow my channel, so please share it. So now let's get started our video. So the first number one word is that we can use instead of saying beautiful, that is pretty. So we can use the word pretty for talking about our clothes, for talking about our job, or for talking about any girl. For example, oh, she is very pretty. Or we can say that, oh, what a beautiful picture. Instead of saying beautiful, we could say that, what a pretty picture. Or we could say that, oh, what a pretty notes. मतलब नोट्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी हैं, ब्यूटीफुल नहीं कहना, प्रिटी कहना है. और कह सकते हैं कि ये गाड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी है. प्रिटी वर्ड बहुत चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि हमसे किसी ने पूछा कि हाउ आर यू, यू कुड इजीली सिंपली से दैट आई एम प्रिटी गुड. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हूँ, मैं अच्छी हूँ, मैं काफ़ी हद तक अच्छी हूँ. तो आप कह सकते हैं आई एम प्रिटी गुड. अगर आपसे किसी ने पूछा कि अब तुम कैसे हो, हाउ आर यू राइट नाउ, यू कुड ईजली से दैट आई एम प्रिटी बेटर राइट नाउ. मैं पहले से काफ़ी हद तक बेटर हूँ. ओके, तो प्रिटी वर्ड का यूज़ हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद ब्यूटीफुल का एडवांस वर्ड है गॉर्जस. वी कुड यूज़ वर्ड गॉर्जस फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गर्ल और फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लोथ्स. Mainly we use this word for two things, about clothes and for talking about girls. For example, oh, these clothes are very gorgeous. Or we could say that she is very gorgeous. Or we could use this word for talking about a baby. Lisa has a gorgeous daughter. Okay, so this is how we can use word gorgeous. This is what I want to say here, that don't use one word for many times. Try to use synonyms of that word. Try to use advanced word of that word. This is what I want to say here. So there are two words that we have learned. Number one is pretty, second is gorgeous. Number three is attractive. You can use word attractive instead of saying beautiful. The word that is attractive, we can use this word for talking about the clothes, for talking about any person, whether she is a girl or a boy. We could talk about that. We could use this word for in illustrating the personality. Okay, so we could use this word many times. For example, she has a very attractive personality, her clothes are very attractive, or her way of talking is very attractive. Like, we could use this word anywhere, wherever you want to say beautiful. Instead of saying beautiful, you could simply say that attractive. Okay, so there are three alternatives that we have learned that we can use instead of saying beautiful. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can because you all guys know that it's going to be help me a lot. Thank you, and subscribe for more. And once again, if you have learned something from this video, please share this with those kind of persons who really want to learn English, who are eager to learn English. Thank you.